What's up, guys? It's OrangeWolf7091 AJ, and welcome back to a brand new Roblox video. Today we're playing Horrific Housing, and I know we haven't played this in a while. I believe the last time we played this game was back in April. Now it's December 20th. In fact, there's 5 days until Christmas. And today's Friday, the 20th. Yep. Which means I am now on vacation from school. And I will be able to post videos and play and stuff. But yeah, let's get into this game. Now, I think the goal of Horrific Housing is to be like the last one standing to survive. I think, if I can remember clearly. I think. Do you think I can make that jump? Oh, whoa, no. What's going on? What? What is this? Oh my god, my lag. What is my lag? The lag, dude. What is going on? What is this? I don't know what this is. Why does it keep lagging for me? I have no idea what this is. I just got teleported. You idiot girl. I just keep getting pushed. I don't know what this is. Why am I in here? No! I'm Thanos? Wait, I was about to say, wait, am I Thanos? Oh yeah, and I left off. Yeah, the last one standing. So I was right. Bro, what was that? Fuse eggs? Nah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I don't want this. How do I get this out of here? Oh, cancel. What's in here? What? Oh, dude. Oh, that's pretty cool. One is starting after this event. Okay. Okay, I think the next round is gonna start soon. I think. Starting. I forgot you can open it. Oh yeah, I have an egg in here. What is that? I have no idea what that is. Can I get on top of my house, please? Thank you. Well, that's gone. Yo, okay. Can I make that jump? No! I have a problem now. We're gonna be fighting soon. Apparently, when I died, it said deleted system 32. I don't know what system to what. I don't know. Sound good. This is why I need to stop doing stupid things. I can't just. I know there's like a secret door somewhere over here or something like that, I think. Oh, right here. Something like that. I don't know. Because I think, alright, so if you go to shift lock and you go like this. Yeah, secret thing right there. You can see there's a secret. Do you see that red thing? That's a secret thing right there. And we're back in a new round. This time, I'm gonna stay at my house. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. Okay. I'm gonna stay on my house. No, 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 you gotta be kidding. You be kidding me. Why? As soon as I say I'm gonna stay at my house, I automatically get a freaking alien. Why? 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 Okay, new round. Let's do better this time. Please. Spaceship. Bro, that would have been unlucky if I got the spaceship again. No way. What is going on? Why is everything all white? I feel safe in here. I don't know what's going on out there. You know, I'm gonna open it just going on. It seems to be better now. I don't know if that was like some snowstorm or something, but that was really weird. I don't know what that about. Hello, little egg. Can I just stay with you until this is over? Bro, I don't know if it's safe to stay inside or go outside. Because then I have a better chance of, like, seeing what's going on and stuff. I don't know how many people are left. What is that? Oh my god. That guy's house... well, not levitating, but spinning around. He's better be careful. If I was him, I would just stay there. Unless it's necessary, but... I don't know how many people are left. Please die. I think it's me and him. I don't know. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I get frozen on top of my house. Just what I needed, game. You can run fast and... Okay. Did I just dab? I think I did. Someone will die in 1 minute. Please not me. You will explode in... Ooh, what? I gotta get to his house. He fell. Did I win? You need to survive until the event is over. Let's go, baby! I won that! Let's go, baby! Let's go, baby! Pray to the gods. Let's go, baby! I won that. 11 wins. I have no idea how I won that. It was like, oh, you gotta survive. And I was like, what event? Like, what are you talking about? I don't know. I was just really confused. And I was like, what? Like, that made... Did you guys see that lag? Oh my gosh. Did you get how laggy that was? Oh, oh my... I want to leave now. This game is doo-doo. Whoa. What was that all about? That jump, landed it, lagged for like 0.3 seconds, and like yeeted me when like, oh, wait, hold on, it went, what was that, you stupid game? That's crazy. That's crazy. That's impossible. I can't. This game, what is wrong with you, game? This game is doo-doo now for that. This game sucks, bro. What was that? Oh my, I can't. I cannot believe. What the frick? Why? This game is big garbage. At it now. In a new server. I left because that game was trash. It was complete trash. My friend, I'm gonna risk it. Please don't lag. What was that? Oh my gosh, bro. I can't play this game anymore. I can't game anymore. I'm so bad at this game. Anyways, guys, that'll be all for today's video. If you did enjoy, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Definitely let me know down in the comments below what your favorite part of this video was. Yeah, this game was miserable today because I kept failing and my jumps were really laggy and trash. Also, definitely let me know if you want me to play this game again and make more videos on it. I did have fun playing this game, but you know, yeah, this is complete trash. I did get a win, probably one of the luckiest wins. I don't know, but yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.